Come and count, come and play. Let's learn numbers every day. With animal friends by our side, let's count from 1 to 20 with pride.
God, one panda waves hello to you. 2 giraffes stretch, reaching 2. 3 bunnies hop, hop, hop. 4 monkeys swing and never stop. 5 puppies wag their tails with glee. 6 parrots sing, come count with me. 7 turtles swim so slow. 7 turtles swim so slow. 8 buzzing bees say hello. 9 leopards run across the land. 10 ducklings march all in a band. 11 penguins slide on ice. 12 flamingos look so nice. 13 lions roar with pride. 14 owls hoo-hoo at night. 15 dolphins jump up high. 16 frogs sing right nearby. 12 flamingos look so nice. 13 lions roar with pride. 14 owls hoo-hoo at night. 15 dolphins jump up high. 16 frogs sing ribbit nearby. 17 horses gallop free. And our lovers is so funny. With our animal friends, hooray!